Our attitude is that we're going to take the forces that are driving a lot of transformation inside of healthcare today and use that to produce a higher quality and more effective healthcare system.
I always find Aggregate's a great place to network with other Arcadia users, and the roadmap session is always one of the best sessions.
We are dead set on building models that actually work in the wild. Partially why we get all of you together in person, because you all have the expertise to know what works and what doesn't work. And if you look at our roadmap and how we develop, nearly everything we do is developed in conjunction with you.
My favorite thing about the event has been just being able to meet everyone from different teams. Today was like such a just home run on bringing it all together on where we're headed, and definitely looking forward to bringing that back to our teams to get them excited about what's to come.
It's a great experience for seeing the future of Arcadia, but also get to talk to some of the Arcadia experts face to face.
I am so excited about potentially going to the conference next year in Las Vegas. I'm already nudging our team of, hey, yes, I would love to be there, so let's get it on the books.